Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about a read code problem called find first palindromic string in an array. Okay, let me read the problem. Given an array of strings, words, return the first palindromic string in the array. If there is no such string, return an empty string, just a null. A string is palindromic if it read the same forward and backward. First of all, let me tell you about what is meant by palindromic string. Just see here. Let me take madam. Let me take madam. Now, when I read in this way, it is madam. When I read from right to left, it is also madam. Right? So, a string that is read from left to right and a string is read from right to left are same, then it is called as palindrome. Fine. Now see this example. What are the palindrome that are here? ADA, RACE, CAR. Right? What are they? ADA is palindrome. CARE, RAC. It's also palindrome. Why? Because ADA, here ADA, CARE, RAC, and from here CARE, RAC. Right? So these two are palindrome. But in the question they are asking what is the first palindrome in the list? First palindrome. So ADA is the first palindrome, right? Fine. Now, how to approach this problem? First of all, I declare a function. I want a function. Let's take it's just check it whether the given string is palindrome or not. And I'm going to give a string to that function, and that function will return me whether the given string is palindrome or not. Fine. Now, if the given string is palindrome, then can I directly return the string? Yes. Then now we want to design that function. Which function? We want to design a function to check whether the given string is palindrome or not. If palindrome, return true. If not, return false. Right? Now, how to write a code for palindrome? See here, CARE, RAC is in yes. Okay, let me declare another string, a empty string, a null string. Fine. Now in this T, I read this yes in opposite fashion. That is, first C, then A, then this R, then E, then R, then A, then C. Then what will be in the T? This CARERAC. Now I am going to check whether S is equal to T. If it is equal to 3 T, then I will return true. Else I return false. Fine. Now whether it is a optimal approach. No. Because here we use another string to store the main string. Then we want to check those two strings and we want to return whether they are palindrome or not. But we have a two-pointer approach for this. What is the two-pointer approach? Just see carefully this example. This C and this C are equal. This A and this A are equal. This R and this R are equal. Now there is only one single element, E. Obviously E. Only E. So I can say for palindrome, for this zeroth index, I have to match with this last index, this last n-1 index. And for this one index, I want to match with n-2 index. Right? Let me write here CARERAC. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now for the 0th index, I have to match with this 6th index. So what is the length? Length is 7. For 0, it should be matched with 6. For 1, it should match with 5. For 2, it is 4. For 3, it is just 3. Fine. So how to derive this? How to derive this? I know two-pointer approach by which I can store L is equal to 0 and also R is equal to n minus 1. So L is 0 and R is 6 now. Now I will check whether the string L is equal to string R. Okay, if it is true, then I do nothing. But if it is failed, then I have to return false. Fine. Now you can understand this. Now this is one approach. Until when I have to do this? Just see here. While L is less than R, because I check until this E. First here one pointer and here one pointer. Then it moves here. Then it moves here. Then both moves here. After this, checking this R is unnecessary, right? Because already we checked this both. So until this L is less than R, I can check, right? Why we won't check for L is less than or equal to R? We can also put this, but it 2 gives the same output because 3 is equal to 3, right? If the third index is E, obviously this third index also E, right? So that we don't put this, we just put this, so that one iteration is not executed. Fine. Now what is the code now? While L is less than R, I have to check if S of L is not equal to S of R. If it's so, then I return false. Else I return true. So this is one approach. Then what is the next approach? Just see here. I have written here 0 means it's 6. Let me take I is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. For example, length is 7. For 0, I have to check with 6. So when we get 6 by using this I and n relation, I is 0 and n is 7, when will I get 6? Obviously n minus I minus 1, let me get 6, right? So 6. Now substitute this 1 for this I. What will I get? I get 7 minus 1 which is equal to 5. This is minus 1 which is equal to 5. So here I get 5. Here I get 4. Here I get 3. So I can get this relation, right? When I put n minus I minus 1, right? So I am iterating through a for loop for I in range of from where to where? From 0 to n by 2. This is so important. N by 2 is so important. We don't take this usually, we ignore this, okay? Because 3 is equal to 3, right? Whatever the index is, 3 is just equal to 3. Now if say S of I is not equal to S of n minus I minus 1, then I will return false, else I will return true, right? Many of them do a mistake here. It's not mistake, but still it is not mandatory to put n. We can put n by 2, okay? For palindrome it is not mistake, but still don't do this mistake. Fine. Now I have idea to check how to check whether the given string is palindrome or not. No, whether the full question is over. No, the question is not over. So see here. Now I designed a function to check palindrome or not, right? Now I can traverse from one by one in string, in list, in this list, right? In this list I can traverse one by one. Let's take n, and I can check whether it is palindrome or not. So if check of a or I, if it is true, I can directly return, right? If this whole for loop is finished, still we don't get the element, then I can return a empty string, right? Problem solved. This is what the solution for this problem. Let's see here. So just see this solution. First, for I in words, so inside that I we will get one by one element in the list. First we get as ABC. Now is ABC is palindrome? No. Then is car is a palindrome? No. Is ADA is palindrome? Yes. Right? So ADA is returned. Now this four lines are clear. Let me explain this function, this palindrome function. I have declared two variables, start and end, which assigns 0 and length of s minus 1. While start is less than or equal to length, here this equal to is unnecessary. We can put we want, but same result will be got. Now if s of start is not equal to s of end, then I return false. Then start will be incremented by 1 and end is incremented by minus 1. See here, I done mistake, I think so. Yes, here I didn't wrote it. L plus is equal to 1 and r minus is equal to 1, because first of all our pointers are like this, then our pointers should be like this, then our pointers should be like this, right? So L keeps on increasing, R keep on decreasing, right? So this is the point I missed, sorry. No, so this is what the full code, fine. So this is what the question states and the answer. Thank you.